Hey, Cody, can I slide in there? Thanks, man.
You know what this is, or if you're doing resort or same order as last?
That I don't know.
I told my mom to go ask. Who's that? Oh, well, I should have said over.
To check in yet. Tony Mark Smith to check in. Mark Smith to check in.
Hey, Hager, that's my spot. Alright, you're one behind me. Back there?
Hey, sorry I tagged your car last night. You know when you're standing and someone's radio is like right there? So this was the radio and there's like nothing there. It's like, fuck, man.
Yeah, that's where you're at.
Mark Smith is out. Tony McCullough, 1, John Belonge, 2, John Bean, 3.
I think the tune has changed.
4, Paul Gilmore, 5, Hendersville, 6, Rich Chalister, 7.
Oh, good luck. Actually, I think I know one of these luck.
I don't know, man.
Are we good to go? Marshals look good. All right, drivers, this is a 12-minute minute. We'll be starting on the dome in less than 5.
I tried. Oh, no. Dude, I did not mean to do that.
12 minutes is a long time, isn't it? We're just on lap number 1 of Walton. We're top qualifier. Cody McCullough leads the grid. Our winner of Moto number 1, Brian Belonge, right behind him. It looks like Phil Dance, Tom Bean, in the 3. They're going to see them on here on the lower level. Rose Command. Rhubarb we go, right outside of that part Canada. 112. Lap number 3. They're side by side. Cody McCullough, Brian Belonge trying to slide out. Tom Biss right behind him. Regan Mellon right behind him. Another number 1. Cody McCullough was their top qualifier. Qualified on the floor. Brian Belonge was able to slide by him.
Sorry. Oh my God, go. That was crazy.
Moto number 1. And here we are looking at Moto number 2. Lap number 3 almost coming to an end. And Belonge sliding up into the 1. So Cody McCullough leads 2 laps. Brian Belonge gets the lead on lap number 3. And leads on lap number 4. Into bottom ball, number 2, that's Step-Up Double. Two laps left by John. Cody McCullough just 3 tenths of a second back. John Biss holding his own, snap right behind him. And Paul Gilmore up in the 5. And Hager's still across in the M&M. Stacked out Hobby is 15. still to go. Watching those two trucks as they go through the waterfall. This is a battle for championship here on race number 6. Dumps the Laundry wants to make this his third win of the season. Jimmy McCullough wants this to be his 4th win of the season. How many points separate the two? Number 2 will be a race 6 champion if that battle continues to be between those two. To that waterfall. Both of our drivers standing right downhill.
Oh, good one!
And inside an off-hammer turn. Cody McCullough switched to the front, and now Cody McCullough out front by a little. 7 minutes still to go. They come through. Jump in the 1. Cody McCullough in the 2. Cody McCullough was able to slide ahead for a hair, but Brian Dumpalante gets the lead of lap number 7. Watching that battle for the 3. Tom B versus Greg Arnott. We're towards the gate. That's the battle for the 3. The battle for the 1 is just as intense. Good driving by Paul Gilmore, giving the lead. Right away, TR2, leader coming up, defending with that battle. We are 6 minutes in, 6 minutes still to go. For the 1 continues. 4 minutes 50 seconds remaining. Things are happening inside the bowl. Skippy Steve going in to save what looks to be Gump as Cody McCullough goes out. Things are flying every which way, and Gump is going to lose a back wheel. What a way to end Moto number 2. A little too much aggression into